Good morning. I'm Dr. Lisa Taylor, Vice President for Academic Affairs at Texas College. Just this morning, I want to introduce how to go online to your online classroom. First, we'll start by logging on. Log on as a student. After you've logged on, I think the first place that you need to pay attention to is the Technology Help tab at the top. When you click on that, you look in the left-hand side, Microsoft Office 365 Training takes you to a site for logging on to access all of the free Microsoft applications: Word, Outlook, Excel, PowerPoint, and even Microsoft Teams, which is like Zoom. These are all free. They're complimentary to you so that you will be able to do all of your assignments online. So you can work with Microsoft apps on your cell phones, on your iPads, or your any device, laptops. This middle link is how you log on to access the free apps. And when you scroll down, these are the training modules that will help you learn how to use each of the apps if you're unfamiliar. You go back to the top, under the Students tab is how you would go to class. We want to scroll to My Courses, and we're going to go to the Online Orientation class. As you see here, this is the welcome page. And there's a message from me, and right underneath you'll find there's information about what the class is about, your objectives, who to talk to for trouble, problems, the contact information. As you scroll down, there's more information about netiquette and online conduct, and there's information about the technology requirements, attendance, and how to send an email where you use polite protocols. And so this is an overview of what your online classroom requirements are. And your first assignment is going to be to acknowledge that you have looked at these procedures and policies and that you understand them. So we're going to go to coursework to begin to do the assignments. You click on that. Your first homework assignment was the acknowledgments. And this is a form that you need to click on to download. You can see down here in the bottom, you open it up, you save the document, you've typed your name in it, you want to save it to your desktop so you can then upload it. Let's get out of this. When you upload the document that you've saved to your desktop, you're going to see a check that says it was submitted successfully. So always watch for that check mark because that indicates your assignment was submitted when you've uploaded the file. So we go back to coursework, and the second assignment was a discussion forum post. For that, you go over to collaboration, click that twice so that you can see the drop-down menu, and click forums. And here you'll find either introductions or greetings. You click on that. And to add to the conversation, you would add a post. You would enter your title of your post, maybe your name, greetings from Tamara. And here you would type your message and then click submit. It's just that simple. Now, if you want to respond to another person, you would go back to the forum and you can locate a student and click on their link to see what they've said, and you would hit reply. Just that simple. You hit reply if you want to respond to that person, and always hit the submit button to make sure that what you've typed has posted. Okay. So now we want to go back to coursework to look at the third assignment, which is an online quiz. So the online reading quiz, I took this quiz earlier, so it won't let me do it again. But when you go there, it's going to give you an opportunity to type in your answer. You're being instructed to go take a reading test, a short speed reading test to see how quickly you read. And then when you get your score, you come back to the online reading quiz to just simply submit your score. And there's going to be a note like this after your quiz was submitted saying that it's not graded yet because it's waiting on feedback from your instructor. So those are the main things: how to go to coursework, how to go to the collaboration forum, and we want to remember to go to the technology help button to locate Microsoft Office products. The link is in the middle of the page. That's how you can log on, whether you're using a phone or laptop or iPad, and it's free. So good luck to you, and if you need anything at all, remember on the welcome page you'll see my information. And I encourage you to use the information here, the sample emails, when you send an email to me, because it helps to have your name and ID and in the body indicate what you're struggling with. That helps me to be able to help you. So good luck to you, and you know how to reach me if you need me for anything at all.